In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a retainer invoice using Zoho Books. This short tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, aiming to make your experience as smooth and straightforward as possible. So let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Zoho Books is a fantastic platform for online accounting and finance management, and it's a vital tool for many businesses. Once you've arrived at the website, look for the Sign In button on the home page. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to begin logging into your account. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books home dashboard. Here is where all the magic happens, and you are taken right into your financial universe. On the left hand side, you should see a menu with various options. You'll want to find and click on the Sales section. This area details all your sales related activities, allowing you to manage invoices, estimates and sales orders effectively. Now that you're in the sales section, your next task is to locate retainer invoices. Retainer invoices are a way to bill your clients in advance, essentially securing their commitment to your services. Click on Retainer Invoices to open up this section. With the Retainer Invoices page open, you are only a few clicks away from creating a new invoice. Here, look for the option that says Create New Retainer Invoice. Clicking on this will allow you to begin the creation process. This handy feature of Zoho Books makes it easy to set up new invoices and customize them as needed for your business. While creating your new invoice, it's important to fill out all necessary details carefully. You will have to enter the client's information, the amount to be invoiced, and any specifics about the services or products you provide. Ensure that all details are correctly entered before finalizing. Taking a moment to double check everything is always a good practice. This attention to detail will help prevent any future confusion and ensure smooth transactions. Once you've entered all the required information, your retainer invoice is ready to be saved and sent or printed as per your needs. Remember to save your work to prevent any data loss, especially if you've put in lots of specific details. And there you have it, a succinct yet comprehensive walkthrough to craft a retainer invoice in Zoho Books. This task may seem daunting at first, but with practice, it will become a seamless part of your routine. If you find yourself stuck or facing any issues, feel free to explore Zoho's help resources or reach out to their support team for assistance. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy invoicing.